Hi guys, today we will see nomenclature of alkynes. So general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. So when n is 2, so formula will be C2H2, that is for ethyne. So H becomes 4 minus 2, so 2. So C2H2 is for ethyne. Then if we put n is equal to 3, so C3H4 propyne. Then n is equal to 4, C4H6 butene. Then 5 for pentyne, C5H8. Then hexyne, C6H10, and heptyne, C7H12, and so on. So this is general formula of alkynes, CnH2n minus 2. And then we will see some questions. So first is give IUPAC name for the following compounds. So structure is given and you have to write down the name. So first compound, so we will number from this side, carbon skeleton. We won't number like this because the triple bond comes in between 4 and 5, so it will become 4, less number. Okay, so that is more. And if we number from this side, triple bond comes to second position. It is between second and third carbon, so it comes at second position. So this numbering is not done. This is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So fourth position have methyl substituent, so 4 methyl. Then 6 carbons are there in carbon skeleton, therefore hexyne. So 4 methyl, triple bond is on second carbon, so 4 methyl 2 hexyne, or we can write 4 methyl hex 2yne. Next example. So longest chain again of 6 carbons, and again we will number from the functional group present, that is triple bond. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and methyl groups are there as substituents on fifth position, fifth carbon. So there are 2 methyl groups, so 5 dimethyl, and triple bond is in between first and second carbon, so we'll number it as 1, less number is considered, and 6 carbon, so hexyne. So 5 dimethyl 1 hexyne, or we can also write as 5 dimethyl hex 1yne. Both are correct. Then next, now in this example there is also double bond. So there are 2 functional groups, one is alkyne and another one is alkene. So 2 possibilities are there. We have, okay, there are 2 options, 1 2 3 4 5. So either from left to right is correct or from right to left is correct. So alkyne and alkene. So alkene dominates in alkyne and alkene. So numbering should be done from alkene side and not from alkyne side. So 1 2 3 4 5. So there is one table of functional group priority. According to that, this numbering should be done from alkene part if there are alkene and alkyne in same compound. So numbering is done in this fashion: 1 2 3 4 5. So alkene is in, so 5 is for pentane, so alkene is in first and second carbon, so less number is taken, 1 pentene. And alkyne is in third, is in between third and fourth carbon, so it will be 3 yne. So 1 pentane 3 yne will be the name. And last example, simple one, only triple bond is there and we can number. So butane 4 carbons are there, and the triple bond is in between first and second carbon, so but 1 ine, or we can write 1 butane. So this is about the structure is given and we have to write the name. Now second question, write the structural formula for each of the following compounds. So in this question name is given and we have to write down the structure. So let's start with first, that is 2-butene. So first draw 4 carbons for butane. First draw 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 for butane, and the triple bond is at second position, so it is in between second and third carbon. We can number it like this. So triple bond is in between second and third carbon, and remaining we have to write down the hydrogens. So carbon makes 4 bonds, so according to that we have to write the number of hydrogen atoms attached to carbon. So that is for 2-butene. Next example is but 1 in 3 ine. So again but, so 4 carbons. So first draw 4 carbons. Now here one double bond is there and one triple bond is there. So first draw 4 carbons, then draw double bond is in between first and second carbon, because one is written here. So double bond will be between first and second carbon, and then 3 ine. So triple bond is in between third and fourth carbon. Okay, Yne is for triple bond, En for double bond. So third triple bond is between third and fourth carbon, so we have written that. And finally we have to write down the hydrogens. So carbon makes 4 bonds. Okay, so according to that we have to write the hydrogens. So this carbon here, it is making 2 bonds, so remaining 2 bonds are of hydrogens. Like that you have to write. And then last example, 1 pentene 4 ine. So first draw 5 carbons for pent, and then double bond is at first is in between first and second carbon, so 1 pentene is done, and the triple bond Yne is at fourth carbon, so in between 4 and 5. So triple bond is here. So we have written double bond, we have written triple bond, and now we will write the number of hydrogen atoms according to valency of carbon, that is 4. Okay, so like that you have to draw the structure of alkynes. Thank you for watching the video.